Alright, there we go. It's a Dom RS8. Alright, let's get this gutted. That actually wasn't that bad. I've picked the top and the side pins on this lock separately, and then got sidetracked playing with other stuff and never really went after it. And that's actually not that bad. I was expecting a lot more of a fight. I've seen other guys really fight with this lock. They probably had just a harder one than me. I was able to, I'll show you the pinning in just a second, but the there's a certain spool in here on pin 4 that really is the problem with the lock, and basically I just used the progressive false set from the other pins and the side pins to keep from falling into that false set, because once you fall into it, you're not getting out. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're probably not even, okay, let's just do it. Let's see if I fall out. They're not. So it's a Dom, they never fall out. Come on out of there. 4. 3. 1, 2. All right, and we got 3 side pins. Now, how did you fit in there, but now you don't want to go? Come on out. That's crazy. There we go. Come on out of there. I got lucky too that the number 2 side pin is a 0 lift, so I never have to mess with it. I just have 2 side pins to pick basically, which makes it just a little easier for me. And I think that's that one, I think. Alright, here's that keyway. Just a very nasty thing to deal with. So I can find my pinning tweezers. We'll go with these, good enough. I'll probably find the pinning tweezers just as soon as I stop doing this. Alright, we got a taper barrel on 1, a taper barrel on 2. Let's go ahead and get these springs. I'll go through the back for the other stuff, because that's where the side pins start, is in the back. We got another taper on 5. Our number 3 side pin. here's that nasty spool on number 4. It's a T-pin spool, and it will cause you all kinds of grief if you don't try to preset it. And I'm not going to pull the springs for the side pins because they are just a pain in the ass to get back in. Our number 2 side pin. Let me do that. There we go. Pin 3 is a spool. Get that spring. And number 1 side pin. And the side pins on these are the Dom IX style with the teardrop, and they sit at an angle inside the keyway. They're a pain to get back into, but you know how that goes. Alright guys, that's the Dom RS8. You can see there's nothing else really going on with it. It's basically just a 5-pin tumbler lock with 3 IX style side pins. On paper it doesn't seem to be much, but it's a pretty tricky pick. I'm not going to trivialize it. Alright guys, thanks for watching.